Okay, we're going to go ahead and look at actually giving a quiz using Socrative.com now. We have split screen going on. The left side is what the teachers will be seeing, and the right side is the students. And one of the nice things about Socrative is that it works over multiple platforms. It just has to be a device that could connect to the internet, whether it's an iPad, a Chromebook, a laptop, or even a cell phone. As long as it can connect to the internet, they're able to use it to take the quiz. All they need is your room number. So once you give the room number to your students, they will go ahead and type in that room number, and they will get this screen waiting for you as the teacher to start it. So you will go to Start Quiz, select the quiz you want, and here you actually have three different ways to give the quiz. If you want to have the student work on their own and actually get the answers right away, whether they're right or wrong, you can choose this option, the student's based. I don't use this one because the students aren't allowed to move around on the quiz. So if they get stuck on a question, they just have to put an answer down and can't go back and check their work. So I don't recommend that one. Uh, I am I recommend the middle one, the student pace, student navigation. It gives the option for them to move around just like on a normal quiz and go back, check their work, and skip questions when they get stuck. You also have the option to disable the student names if you want it to be an anonymous quiz, just to see how the whole class is doing. And you can also randomize the question order and randomize the answer order, which is what I do. Once you have that set, go ahead and click Start. And you can see the screens have changed now. You as a teacher still have the left side, and you are going to see all the students start to come in on this live page. As soon as the students are answering questions, you'll see whether they're right or wrong immediately. I ask the students to put in their last name first. So when I do the report, it's alphabetical order like a grade book. Now on the student side, you see that they have these numbers, and this gives them the option to click on a question and move around on a quiz. The yellow does mean multiple choice, purple is true, false, and short answer. So they just click on a question. Let's say they say it's West Covina. Now you on the teacher's side now see two things. One is you are given a progress of how far the student has done. I'm 1/3 done. And you could also see that I got a question wrong. Um, and that's something that teachers, they're interested in seeing that immediate feedback. But if it's not for a quiz, but for a quick question in the class, if you're doing an activity where you ask the question, you want immediate feedback, this is a quick way to do it. Um, and if you get this true, and then finally, 4. Now, when they're done, they would type in finish quiz, but I want to go back and check my work. So I'm going to hit previous. Now you can see that it has made on my side, on the teacher view, it is correct. And I realized, oh, the sky is not orange. I'm going to change that to false. And now I could go next. And you can see it's changed over there as well. And you have the students just keep doing that with their quiz until they are done. And once they're done, they simply hit finish quiz. And yes, you want to finish the activity. And this screen comes up for them as well. As a teacher, you could let them keep working. You could shut it down. When everybody's done, you would select finish. And we'll go ahead and come back to this screen because the different reports are actually, there's a lot of good information that comes out of these reports. So that's how you give a quick quiz in Socrative.